Hi again, guys. Lastly, we've been checking about this very thing, the rate analysis of the concrete, and we've seen the concrete M25 or grade 25, and we've talked really so much about it. So let's just take that we gotta do one more concrete grade or another kind of concrete. So for example, let's take grade 20 because it also exists. Let me come right here. As you can see, I'm having that grade 20. The grade 20 is concrete of mixing ratio is 1, 1.5, and 3. So this one is standing for the cement as usual. This 1.5 is standing for the sand, and this 3 is standing for the concrete or the coarse aggregate. So let's just come back right here. So I'm gonna be taking all of this, I'm gonna be copying it as right here, and I'm gonna be just doing the edits. So here I take it as item number 2. This we gotta be having grade 20. This gotta be 1.5, and here we're gonna be having 3. Okay. So as usual, we'll be having the cement, the sand, the gravel, the water, miscellaneous materials, if any, the transport fees, the labor fees, the wastages and the contingencies, and then the profits and the overhead. So at the end, we'll be able to calculate the cost of 1 cubic meter of this kind of concrete. So on the cement bags, nothing will be changing much. So we were actually taking a formula like this. So as for this, let me come back right here. As for this, we're having 1, which stands for this cement, dividing by 4, which is the total of this mixing ratio, 1 plus 1 plus 2. And then we were multiplying it with the 1 cubic meter plus 54% of the shrinkage factor of wet concrete, so which turns out to be 1.54. So far, as we've seen already, again, we are having that the density of cement is actually this. So which means that if we have 1 cubic meter of concrete, of cement, it's gotta be equal to 1,440 kilograms. And this is what we are doing right here. So we just multiplying the density of the cement, and then after all, at this point, we'll be having just the kilograms of the cement. And then after that, we know that the cement is packed within the 50 kilogram sacks or bags. So we divide it by 50 so that we can get the cement bag. So about here, we're gonna be doing the same. So I'm not going to delete everything because this will just take us a little bit longer. So I'm gonna be changing just the numbers. So here I'm having 1, it's the same, I'm not changing it. So if I move to this total of the ratios, so I'm having 1 plus 1.5, that's 2.5, plus 3, which is 5.5. So I'm gonna replace this with 5.5. And then this factor of shrinkage is not changing at all. This density is not changing at all. And this 50 kilograms per bag is not changing at all. So if I hit enter, within this concrete mix ratio, we realize that we have 8 cement bags, which is actually true. So assuming again that the cement bag is costing 12,000 Rwandan francs, which is approximately 12 USD, so we'll be having the total cost of cement, this one. So about the cubic meters, so I'm gonna be coming right here. So about the sand. So we have actually 1.5 as the numero standing for this sand. So we're gonna be putting 1.5 right here, and then we're gonna be dividing it with 5.5 as the total of these, and then we're gonna multiply it within 1.54 as that shrinkage factor, and then I'm gonna be hitting enter. So I'm not gonna be calculating this into the kilograms, because the sand and the aggregates are actually both on cubic meters, so I'm gonna let it like this. So far, I'm gonna be moving to the gravels or the coarse aggregates again. It is measured within the cubic meters and it is bought within the cubic meters. So I'm gonna be coming right here. I'm gonna be replacing this with 3 because the coarse aggregates here having the ratio of 3. So I'm gonna divide it with the total of this ratio, which is 5.5, and I'm gonna let this be like this because it is still the shrinkage factor of concrete, and then I'm gonna hit enter. So far here within 8 cement bags, let me do it like this. About the water to cement ratio, I'm gonna be coming right here, which is equal to this. So these are the cement bags, and then I'm gonna be multiplying it with 50 because I need the kilograms, so that this water will be into liters, and then I'm gonna be multiplying it with 0.45 as we've done before, and then I'm gonna be having 181 liters of water, and I'm gonna follow the procedure. Let me tap here and say like water go to 0.04 up to 0.50. Sorry, here is just 0.4 to 0.5 of cement quantity. Okay, let me put it like this, and here we're done. So but here let's say that we may still need this kind of miscellaneous materials, and these percentages I'm not changing anything at all. So far, as you can see, we'll be having that the total cost of this grade 20 concrete will be 224,000 Rwandan francs, which is different to this because it's not the same quality of course. So let me put the same right here. Okay, and then we are done. So this is another item that we've already calculated. And guys, as I said, you need to comment below and let us know what else can we be working on next time. So I suggest that you keep practicing this and you subscribe more. Guys, this is the best courses that we're gonna be covering, because we're gonna be covering lots of items, and this rates analysis is the base of every bills of quantity. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys within the next course. Thank you. Be blessed.